Lexus is back and sharper than ever. Meet the 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury crossover that blends elegance, innovation, and performance in perfect harmony. Today we'll explore every corner of this masterpiece, from its bold exterior to its high-tech interior, and even what's under the hood. The front of the 2026 Lexus NX is a sight to behold. The overly aggressive spindle grille has been removed, replaced by a smoother, more seamless fascia that blends beautifully with the sleek LED daytime running lights. A thin LED strip across the top connects the two headlights, creating a continuous beam that exudes sophistication and modern design. Every curve and vent is sculpted for style and aerodynamics, subtle yet powerful. From the side, the NX maintains its athletic crossover stance. Sharp body lines flow from the headlights to the rear, emphasizing a sense of motion even when stationary. Sculpted fenders, blacked-out mirrors, and chrome trim along the windows make it clear this SUV is designed for urban class as well as dynamic performance. At the rear, the NX showcases its futuristic credentials. Wide LED headlights stretch across the rear, emblazoned with the Lexus name. No logos, just pure confidence. The lower diffuser and dual exhausts are neatly integrated, providing a sporty touch. From every angle, the 2026 NX looks sculpted and characterful. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a variety of engine options. A 2.5-liter hybrid engine produces approximately 239 horsepower, and for those seeking even more power, the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid produces a combined 302 horsepower with all-wheel drive and a pure electric range of up to 37 miles. Smooth, quiet, and responsive, it's not just about speed, it's about refined performance and fuel efficiency. Step inside, and the 2026 Lexus NX welcomes you to the next level of Lexus luxury. A panoramic digital cockpit dominates the cabin, featuring a 14-inch infotainment screen and a fully digital driver's display that blends seamlessly into the dashboard. The materials are high quality, soft leather, ambient lighting, and a layout that feels minimalistic yet warm. The new Lexus interface system offers voice command, wireless CarPlay, and over-the-air updates, because today's luxury prioritizes technology over convenience. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start at around $42,000 and will climb to $60,000 for the fully equipped NX 450h Plus F Sport model. Lexus plans to release it in early 2026, and pre-orders could open as early as mid-2025. With its elegant styling, high-tech cabin, and efficient yet powerful performance, the 2026 Lexus NX proves that luxury doesn't have to scream, it can whisper confidence. If you're looking for an SUV that delivers elegance, innovation, and reliability in one sleek package, the 2026 NX is your ticket to the future of Lexus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Would you prefer this over the BMW X3 or the Audi Q5? Let's discuss it in the comments.